Welcome back everyone to my channel. Today I'm going to make a lovely healthy smoothie. I'm going to use banana, kale. Here I have some fresh mint. I'm going to add some bit of water to it and I'll take you through the process. Kale is rich in nutrient and also antioxidant. It's have a lot of vitamin C and vitamin K and beta carotene, and also it supports eye health, full of antioxidant, and also it's good for your skin, packed with energy. So let's take it through. If it's the first time you're watching my channel, welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching. Thanks for tuning. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave positive comment. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add the kale in along with the mint. Then I'm gonna add a banana. So ladies and gentlemen, this is very healthy, very natural, to get you all-in-one vitamin. I'm gonna get some water now. Put some water in it. Don't need to add any sugar in it. I'm gonna add a bit of nutmeg. Bit of cinnamon. And just a tip of black pepper. All these ingredients that I combine together is to help burn fat, speed up your metabolism system. This is what it looked like. Get your glass. For a better result for this, drink this first thing in the morning on empty tummy. You will thank me later. Very healthy and very energizing. Wow, very nice, very lovely. This is lovely. If this video of any help to any of you guys watching, thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Cheers to you all. Thanks for watching.